Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how to make your steering wheel look brand new. That and a lot more coming up in this episode. When you buy a brand new car, it usually comes with matte leather, meaning it has no gloss to it. But after around 10,000 miles on my car, it's become a little bit shiny, so I'm going to go ahead and clean it up. Now before you do this, I do recommend using gloves because these chemicals definitely aren't good for your skin, so it's just a good habit to start using gloves when you're working on your car like this. So there's a pretty easy trick to it. All you're going to need is some interior cleaner and a towel. The way to do it is you're going to be using the interior cleaner to remove the oils from the steering wheel. So go ahead and take a towel with some interior cleaner and just spray it into the towel, and then go ahead and start rubbing it. A nice trick you can do is fold up the towel like this and then take your interior cleaner and spray it into the towel, which this will allow you to do this. So you can just take the towel, put it into the steering wheel like this, and then rock it back and forth. Like I said, it's a really simple process. You're just going to keep doing this back and forth until you get to a point where you can see no more gloss. If you want to go the extra mile, you can also use leather conditioner on the steering wheel, which is going to help rejuvenate it and make it last longer. So as you can see, this easy trick makes the steering wheel look brand new. It took less than 5 minutes to do, and it was really cheap to do as well. If you want to do more just like this, you can actually do it to your leather seats or your leather trim around the car. I'd love to hear your feedback. If you have any other tricks on this that you know, go ahead and drop them in the comment section down below so we can use them for future reference. But for now, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and drop a like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.